everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys a fun, beautiful, beachy wave for the spring and summer coming up. This is going to be my new favorite summer hairstyle. I'm also partnering with Launch Hair to share this tutorial with you guys, and I am so excited because with the partnership, they are giving you guys, my viewers, a discount. So the code is beautiful, and you will receive 50% off of all of their hair care products, including their brushes, and 30% off of any of the hair tools. Today I'm going to be using this tool. This is the Lee Duo Grande. I'm going to be curling my hair with this hair straightener. Now this hair straightener is very unique for multiple reasons. So not only does it have the extra long titanium plates for long hair, for those of you guys that have long hair, but it has this airflow. And the airflow, in my opinion, is what creates this bouncy, beautiful curl. I've never been able to get this bouncy curl with any other curling iron or any other hair straightener. There is a learning curve when it comes to curling your hair with a hair straightener. I have been struggling with it for years. I finally kind of got the hang of it. And then when I got this and started using it, and I started using the airflow, I could not believe the bounce that it gave my hair. All of the other straighteners or hair curling irons that I've ever used, none of them give me this bouncy curl that this gives. The tiny little air vents, so as you're curling your hair, it's cooling it down. So as it's cooling it down, it locks that curl. Now, if you have short hair, medium length hair, there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube showing you how to use that and kind of get that perfect curl. For the short, long, medium length, whatever length, there's a ton of tutorials out there. Let's go ahead and jump into my new beachy wave hairstyle for the spring and summer. So this is already ready to go, but when you first turn it on, you have to hold this button down, like you have to hold it down until the lights pop up, and then you can adjust the setting. Once it's reached the level, the fan will automatically turn on, so you know it's ready to use. You can turn on the fan, turn it off. I really like that as well. So I'm gonna section my hair. I do have weft extensions in right now. So what I like to do is take the brush, which I love the brush. They sent me this brush, and I love this brush. It is such a good brush. So you can see I have weft extensions in right here. See this right here? So I have 3 rows of those. Now to protect my hair, I am going to spray the Heat and Humidity Tamer. So one thing that I love about this thermal spray in particular is it's created for hair extensions. And obviously it's created for natural hair too, but it's formulated for those who have extensions. And if any of you out there have extensions or you've had extensions in the past, if you don't want to buy your hair often, the good thing is to take care of it. If you take good care of your hair, it will last you so much longer. If you don't take care of it by not using thermal sprays and not conditioning it well and stuff, it won't last as long. So I really love that this was formulated for that. So what I do is I just spray it on each section. It does make your hair feel wet for a second, but it does dry pretty quick. So I like to kind of go like this and kind of put the air into it, kind of dry it before I go in with the heat. So I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to do this front piece in a minute. So I'm going to take a little chunk about like this. This is about an inch piece. And I'm going to come at the base because I want my curls away from my face. So I'm going to come at the base and twist it away from my face. Do a full turn like this. Grab onto the hair and then just pull it out like this. See that curl? It's like perfect. I love it. Come at the base, twist it. See how bouncy that curl is? It has such a bounce to it. Now this is a thicker piece, so I'm gonna go a little slower with this piece because it's thicker. Yeah, don't get me wrong, when I first used this, every time I didn't have the best curls. Took me a minute, but twisting it and then holding it kind of here, and then right when I'm like halfway through, I'll grab onto the base of my hair, and then I just pull on the straightener. Look how perfect, I'm gonna turn off the fan. Look how pretty these curls are. Look at this, right? So pretty. So I'm going to clip this back hair because I want to make sure that it doesn't get kind of mixed up with this. Okay, I'm going to turn the fan back on. The fan makes the biggest difference. Like this bounce and this curl, that air flowing through the hair, kind of cooling it as you're pulling it out is just genius. It's just genius. Twist it. Now, obviously, this is at a different angle, right? Now that one's a little bit looser on the ends, so I'm going to grab it right here and pull. There. See how easy that was to remedy? Okay, I'm going to turn the fan off. I'm going to show you guys the curls that I have so far. Actually, I'm going to use some dry shampoo at my roots. So this is the dry shampoo from Launch. Kind of run that through my roots. I'm going to put some of that heat protectant. Curls. I mean, look at that. The volume that this thing gives with that airflow, it's like, I'm obsessed. So this side is done. Look at that. Look how pretty those curls are. Now I'm going to switch over to this side and finish this side really fast. So I think I might clip this top piece just back for a second so that I can like focus on what I'm doing. This is what I love about this tool. Like this isn't like a full curl, but it like tucks in and kind of gives you that movement and that like wave up there. Oh, I just love it. I don't know that I'll ever use a curling iron again, you guys. I just don't know if I will. Oh, I gotta turn on the, I keep forgetting that I turn it off to talk and then gotta turn it back on. I just love that, like, see the movement that it gives the hair? It just gives it that wispiness. Oh, I'm here for it. I just love the movement. Okay, so this is when I kind of go through and kind of check some of the pieces if I need to change anything. Now I'm gonna spray it with some hairspray. Now for me, I only wash my hair about every 3 or 4 days, just because I like to style it once and then not mess with it for 3 or 4 days. So this is day 1, right? So day 2, day 3, and day 4, as the curl kind of loosens a little bit, it becomes a very soft kind of beachy wave, but you never lose the bounciness. And that's what I love about this. I feel like as the curls start to loosen, they get better and better and better. And here's the thing about it, is that not every curl has to be the same, because I think that's what makes the hair so beautiful and full by the end, is that not every curl has to look exactly the same. And it might have, one piece might have little straighter ends, and I think that's okay, because it kind of gives you a lot of that messy look at the end, kind of that undone beachy type of look, where some pieces are straighter, some pieces are curled. Don't get caught up in having every curl look exactly the same. If one curl doesn't look okay, it's fine, move on to the next. Once you get it all done, it will just blend perfectly. For me, this is gonna be my new favorite summer tool. I'm just loving this beautiful beachy wave. I just love it. And so that's it for the video. Everything I used in today's video, I will link in the description box down below. If there's any other hair tutorial videos that you guys want me to do, sound off down below in the comment section. I would love to hear your guys' suggestions on any more hair tutorials that you guys want. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you all, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you. Bye.